For the correct assembly of the upholstery for the KaVo 5007 dental stool, a specific procedure must be followed. First, push the backrest shell completely upwards. Second, slide the backrest frame completely backward. Third, place the seat upholstery so that the brackets at the front lie in front of the holding bar. Fourth, press down firmly at the front with one hand and then press down firmly at the back with the second hand. The brackets at the front will slide under the holding bars. At the back, the metal clamp will slide over the holding bar. After pressing, the upholstery must sit flush all around. On the first try, it sometimes takes another attempt until the seat upholstery is correctly seated. Fifth, push the 4 brackets of the backrest from the top into the guides. Sixth, finally, press the clamps of the backrest at the bottom into the counterparts.